gardenias tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love, oh, oh. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love.
On our way to breakfast. This place called Cinnamons? Just Cinnamons. We're walking there to eat some guava pancakes.
Guava chiffon pancakes, Ilikai.
Ilikai pancakes, home fries, bacon. The guava is not too sweet. Those pancakes are amazing. Home fries, bacon, fried egg,
White rice? Yeah.
We had breakfast and then we Ubered to a couple of places to pick up some things, and now we're back at our hotel because I'm super tired, but also my husband wanted poke, so he's gonna eat this. This is spicy salmon and spicy ahi. I think there's some rice under, and then he gave us a free drink, so we're gonna drink that. How's it taste? Is it better than the other one that you had?
This is less spicy.
Is it flavorful?
Mm-hmm.
We also stopped by this mochi place. This has a fresh strawberry filling. This is a lychee flavored mochi. This is the sweet potato mochi. I think this is the shoyu roasted nuts. Apparently their most popular item. It's currently around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and we just got back from the pool. It started drizzling a little bit, so we just came back and are washed up. I wanted to try this mochi that we got. Well, it's so like dense. The strawberry is literally so fresh. Wow, that is some juicy strawberry. This is the best mochi I've ever had. The brown paste is red bean paste. When you bite into it, it's so soft. tastes like guava. This is the taro. It's a limited edition flavor. Taro tastes better. It's a little more subtle. Thank you, Andy.
Oh, there's a whole banana in here.
Banana croissant. He said that these croissants are really good. I thought, how good can croissants really be? These are really good. Okay, we're definitely coming back again tomorrow before we go. The outside layer is so flaky. The inside filling is actually sweet. It's currently Sunday, 9 in the morning, and we just finished getting ready for the day. I am all dressed for church, and since my husband's cousins live in Oahu, we are actually going to church with them. 6 stores later, we finally found the pog. This is a chow fine, orange chicken, and then Beijing beef. I'm still kind of hungry, so I'm going to eat this lychee jelly. It's been another slow day, which is good because I think we're just tired at this point of our trip, and we're preparing to go home. So we're gonna chill in our hotel until my husband's cousins come. We're having dinner with them just one time before we leave. I have a pretty big appetite today. Such a cute mochi. Oh, this is legit lychee in there.
딱 보여줘 같이.
Everything. One each.
그러니까
This is prime rib이니까.
넣어야지.
그래도 달라.
No, today's finally Monday. We are finally leaving tonight at 8 p.m. We're just gonna take it chill for the rest of the day. Probably gonna grab like brunch, lunch, breakfast in a couple of hours, and then we're probably gonna head over to his cousin's again because the travel's a little rough for me. Kind of want to take it easy for the rest of the day. It's been a great baby moon. I ate a lot of yummy foods. Super grateful for his cousins who took us around the island and treated us to lots of yummy foods. And we got to even go to the beach and relax. Well, me and my husband were walking around the other day. We're listing all the things that we've been grateful for. Super grateful that we could take a trip, just the two of us. So before we check out, yesterday we hung out with his cousins again and stopped by 7-Eleven, and they found the pog for us that we've been waiting for. We went to like 5 or 6 different stores to look for this and could not find it, but finally found it at 7-Eleven, and it's a small pack. Pog is basically, it's passion orange and guava. It is good.